I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up on Houseparty. For that, first of all, open up your Houseparty app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see the option of sign up. Tap on it. After you tap on sign up, you'll have to enter your email address, your full name, create a username and password, and then enter your birth date. After that, tap on next, which is at the bottom of your screen. For verification, you'll have to enter your phone number. First, select your country and then enter your phone number. After you're done, tap on Send SMS. Now you'll receive a verification code on your number. Enter the verification code. To see which of your contacts are already on Houseparty, tap on Next. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on Allow to allow Houseparty to access your contacts. If not, tap on Deny. If you want to connect your account to your Facebook and see which of your Facebook friend is connected to Houseparty, tap on Next. If you do not want to connect your Facebook, tap on the skip button, which is on top right. If you want to stream your Fortnite gameplay on Houseparty and cast your Houseparty video on Fortnite, tap on Connect Fortnite. Tap on Share Houseparty if you want to add your friends. After that, you'll have to give Houseparty permission to take picture, record video, and record audio. When you are done, tap on Next. This way you can sign up on Houseparty. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.